What is music? Music is the combination of sounds and silence organized within a period of time. Music theory is the study of the ingredients in music, which is rhythm, melody, and harmony. Let's begin with rhythm. Music is written down using notes and rests. Notes indicate a sound, rests indicate no sound. All of them are held down for certain amounts of time, depending on what they look like. A semibreve or a whole note is held down for the longest time, which is usually for 4 counts. Minims are worth 2 counts, otherwise known as half notes, or half of a whole note. Crotchets, also known as quarter notes, are worth 1 count. Quavers are worth half a count each, and semiquavers are worth a quarter of a count each. Using a combination of these is how we create rhythm. Words match certain rhythms, and a really easy way to remember these are words that you're already familiar with. For example, quarter pounder is 4 equal sounds that are quite quick and therefore are made up of quavers or eighth notes. Fries is a long note. Minim or half note. Big Mac, 2 not short notes but not quite long notes either, and therefore they fit really well with crotchets or quarter notes. And then we can combine those into words like cheeseburger or apple pie. The same words could also be used faster. Fries, Big Mac, quarter pounder, apple pie, cheeseburger. It just depends on the speed. All of those notes are then joined together to add up to a certain number, and this is where time signatures come in. The top number tells you how many beats will be in each bar, and the bottom number tells you what type of beat. Time signatures are not fractions, just one number below the other. The most common time signatures that we work with are ones that have a 4 on the bottom. The 4 on the bottom tells us that we're using quarter notes, or a crotchet equals 1 count. The top number tells us how many of them there are. Simple duple time is 2/4 time, which means 2 crotchets or quarter notes in every bar. Simple triple time is 3 crotchets or quarter notes in every bar. And simple quadruple time, which is one of the most common ones used, therefore not only do we see it as 4/4, but sometimes as a big C, which stands for common time, means 4 crotchet or quarter notes in every bar. Each of these beats can also be divided in half, therefore quavers are in groups of 2. The only time that there is an exception to this is when you see a triplet. A triplet is when we play 3 notes in the same time as 2 notes of the same type. If you see a triplet in a sheet of music and you have to work out the time signature, most of the time it will be in a simple time where there will be a 4 on the bottom. You are now ready to work through the Lesson 1 worksheets and then check your answers with the answer sheets.